report, I will discuss the source impact of flooding that hit this area. I will present the latest information. Breaking news. Recent floods devastated regions Swift and several floods have wreaked havoc in the area. Homes submerged, roads submerged, and communities cut off. Emergency response teams are in full swing, condition issues and delivering aid. The economic toll is mounting, with business and farms facing disruption. Evacuations are underway as authorities assess the extent of the damage. This is the latest report on this flood disaster. Hopefully, I will soon reach those in need and we will be united in recovery. Remain alert and work hand in hand through this difficult time. Thank you for your attention.